Hey guys, this is a quick guide to Skypark Santasvillage Bike Park. So you come in, you check in. If you didn't sign your waiver online, you can sign them off over here. If you are veteran military, they'll give you a discount. Just ask for it. This is the village. Let me put my wristband on. Okay, I think that's the wristband for bike park. So it says on the sign, walk your bike. Do not ride your bike through the village. So my first impression, I thought this is just a bike park, but you can bring your family up in here. On the right hand side, you can see the Santa house. This is family oriented type of deal. There's a lot of activities to do for the kids. You can do your thing. So this is the pump track. That's the kind of what you call the landmark. All right, going to the trailhead. So guys, this is not, they don't have a lift chair over here. You gotta pedal up, but the pedaling going up is not that bad. If you look at the features on the left hand side, so you won't get bored going up, you can hit those on your way up. There's like a teeter totter right there on your left hand side. I'm not gonna hit that. I'm gonna hit this one right here. Brap, blow, blow, pump, bing. Right? Okay, so I'm still pedaling up. It's not that bad going up. It's not like steep climbing up. No. Just take it easy so you won't burn your oil. So I'm here up on top. This is what it looks like. This is where all the drop off point. You drop in right down here. So this is the arrow. This is advanced trail. And then there's a sleigh ride. That's where everybody warming up. There's a naughty or nice. This was named by mtb Allen. I'm gonna hit that later. So what we gonna do first? So this is the board. Let's look at the board real quick. They're all marked up. Beginner for green, intermediate blue, advanced black, diamond, and for expert, double black diamond. So this is where everybody chill, get your drink on. There's like an EMT over there. So if you want to warm up, you're gonna hit this one, the sleigh ride. Okay, this will get your everything warmed up. Your toes, knees, head, shoulder, your blood veins, your everything. It's gonna get warmed up. And then you can hit the jump line later, or you can go to arrow. Alright, this one there's a lot of switchbacks. And I'm back on top, so I pedal back up. You can go all the way down, you can go halfway towards the fire road. So that's what I'm talking about right there. So this is the naughty or nice. Alright, so this one is just like not too many. I don't know. I got bored on this one. So if you want something like more action, you're gonna hit this one right here, the arrow. Boy, there's a lot of wooden features up in here. The wall ride. This is what you wanted to hit before you go home. And the jump line, blow. Okay, you see that wooden features, tabletop with the wood. Bada bing, bada boom. There's a drop. Blow. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. I see you on the trail. Peace.